how to turn on countdown on DJI Osmo Nano. So firstly, turn on the camera, press and hold the power button here or here. Once you got it, make sure to click on this little camera. So we want to change it to photo mode. Click on photo mode. And now we want to swipe up from the bottom. Here is little off. Click on this on the left, and it's the countdown. So now you can select the actual countdown. For example, 3 seconds. Go back. Here you can see 3 seconds. Again, go back, and now you can take a photo. And it's using the countdown. So after 3 seconds, it's gonna take a photo. You can always turn it off here and swipe to the left, go back, and there is no longer the countdown. If you want to use camera, if you choose your camera, go to your settings, there is no countdown. So this is available only in photo mode. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.